Welcome to 60-Second Tool Reviews, where we review tools in 60 seconds. Today, we will be reviewing the Sanding Organizer Kit from Klingspor's Woodworking shop. Easy to assemble with minimal tools, the kit includes a sanding block, a 5-pound bargain box available in hook and loop or adhesive-backed sandpaper. Designed by Izzy Swan, the organizer holds your sanding block, a roll of sandpaper, and 5 pre-cut grits, making even the most tedious sanding job a breeze. Easy to use, just roll a piece out, cut it off, and get to sanding. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, Klingspor's Woodworking shop has you covered for all your sanding needs. Let's ask our resident maker what he thinks about it.
If it's not Klingspor's, it's crap.
Thank you for watching 60-Second Tool Reviews. To have your tool reviewed on 60-Second Tool Reviews, please contact us at joepiercemaker.com.